Hey up, today's a bit of a special day because I'm down in at Ducati Nottingham picking up a very special bike that I've always wanted to own, which is the Ducati V4S, which is sat right behind me. I thought it'd be a good time to do a quick video just to let everyone know what I've been up to. So me and a good friend of mine have decided to set up a new hire company. What we noticed is that if you wanted to try one of the latest and greatest bikes on track, there's not really an easily accessible way of doing that. And if you wanted to buy one of the latest bikes, technically speaking, you're buying it blind because you can't try it until you bought it. So what we have is a fleet of the most current and awesome bikes on the market for you guys and girls to hire, thanks to our new company, Trackside Hire. We're working with some of the best manufacturers and track day companies so we can offer you this service across the UK and Europe, giving you the opportunity to hire per session, per day or per European. All these awesome bikes that we've got aren't just for us to ride, they're for you lot to ride as well. So just keep your eyes peeled for more information. We'll be launching the Facebook page real soon. And yeah, I'll be seeing you on track real soon. Take care, bye.